Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So your boy is back with Flood Escape 2. I suck at this game, but we'll give it a try. And comment down below what game you want to play next video. And let's just get right in. Let's get up. Let's spectate. Gabby H1 10,000. She must be good at this game because she's one of the heads. If she falls us down, she's dead. Oh, that's good. Let's get ready, boys. Oh, I hate this map. I'm gonna die. Seriously? Oh, someone got the checkpoint, I feel like. Thank you. Whoever got the checkpoint, get a shout out. And Geeterix and Paradox Angel, you guys get a shout out for leaving a comment down below and subscribing. I suck at this game, so this is gonna be bad. And guys, comment down below if you guys want me to play Fortnite as well, so we can get a dub because it's 50v50, and we're gonna get a victory royale in 50v50. If you guys want me to play Fortnite down below, it's gonna be pretty lit. And if you guys are guessing what I'm watching on TV, it's baseball game. Won this game. Get ready, boys. Oh, I feel like I love this one. Completed it like many times. Someone got that one, so now we gotta get up before we die. No! Oh, I thought it was gonna fall for a sec. No! Glitchy. Seriously? Right now? Right now? Siri? Thank you, and I survived. With a minute and 7 seconds and 92 10,000ths. Oh, I hate this one. That's it. guys, we'll probably start playing Fortnite when I have my game room. So like in like 4 more Roblox videos, I'll start playing Fortnite. Start posting Fortnite videos. If you guys want, you guys can comment down below to make my channel the Angel Vistas a new YouTube channel, and we can start playing Fortnite on that channel.